Welcome to BetMgm, one of the leading online betting platforms. Today, we're diving into how you can make the most of your BetMgm experience. Promo codes are essential for maximizing your bonuses. Each promo code gives you access to exciting offers and promotions. First, let's create your BetMgm account. Click on the Sign Up button and fill in your details. It's that easy. Now, where can you find the latest promo codes for 2025? Check the BetMgm website and trusted bonus code blogs. During the registration process, enter your promo code in the designated box to ensure you don't miss out on any bonuses. With your promo code, you can unlock various types of bonuses, from free bets to exclusive offers. After entering the promo code, make sure to verify it to confirm you've applied it successfully. Make the most of your bonus. Use it strategically to maximize your winning potential. Encountering issues entering promo codes? Don't worry. These simple troubleshooting steps can help you resolve them. So there you have it. Take advantage of BetMgm promo codes to enhance your betting experience. Happy betting!